Ever wonder what would happen if the tiniest camera in the room decided to start a fight with the biggest one? The Insta360 Go Ultra might just be that troublemaker. It's a palm-sized square, but leaks are calling it a DJI rival. And from what we've seen, this isn't some gentle refresh, it's Insta360 slipping on the boxing gloves and telling DJI, "All right, your move." The Go Ultra isn't here to be shy. Compared to the Go 3S, it's chunkier, yes, but still small enough to vanish in your palm or clip to your shirt without looking like you're carrying a GoPro brick. The real shocker is the new square design. At first glance, you're like, cool, geometry. But in practice, it changes everything. Easier grip, bigger internals, and way more mounting options. Oh, and the aesthetic. Imagine a tiny futuristic podcast mic. Clip it on, and strangers will either think you're starting a TED Talk or that you're an undercover spy. Why call it Ultra instead of Go 4? Simple. In Chinese culture, the number 4 is basically cursed. It sounds like the word for death, and no one's unboxing their brand new camera thinking, wow, can't wait for this to die. So Insta360 went for Ultra, and it works. It's confident. It's bold. It's the camera equivalent of saying, yes, I had a glow up, and yes, I will be the main character this summer. If you've spent any time with the Go series, you know its superpower, that magnetic modular magic. The Ultra carries it forward. Snap it out of the case and mount it on your shirt, helmet, bike handlebars, or even your dog's collar for instant cinematic gold. The flip-up screen makes a comeback too, so no more, oops, I filmed my chin for 2 hours moments. And those magnets, still Hulk strong, short of base jumping into a hurricane, this thing's staying put. Here's where the Go Ultra throws a chair into the ring. 4K at 60 frames per second. The previous models capped at 30 frames per second, which was fine if you liked your action footage looking like it came from 2015. Now, your mountain biking, skateboarding, or random coffee pour shots are going to look smoother than a freshly waxed surfboard. And just to make sure no one interrupts your shot, they've added recording lights on both the camera and the flip-up screen. Translation: people will now know you're filming and think twice before photobombing you. Leaks point to a late August or early September launch, and you can almost hear DJI sharpening their knives. Pricing? No leaks yet, but given the Go 3S started around $399, the Ultra could land somewhere in the $450 to $500 zone. The real question, is this enough to challenge DJI's mini-cam dominance? Honestly, Insta360 doesn't have to beat DJI outright. They just have to make them sweat. And judging by these leaks, DJI might already be looking over their shoulder. So here's my question for you. If the Go Ultra delivers everything these leaks promise, would you pick it over a DJI or GoPro? Drop your hot takes in the comments, hit that like button if you love rooting for the underdog, and subscribe, because when this little square beast officially lands, you better believe we're taking it on an adventure DJI won't want to watch.